Welcome to MicroStrategy's Developer Academy. This course is entitled Heat Map Widget. In this episode, we are going to learn how to create and format a heat map, a visualization that is extremely useful for quickly understanding the status and impact of a large number of variables in a single view. We will utilize a pre-existing dataset within our candidate document. After watching this video, a user should be able to implement and format a working heat map within their documents and mobile applications. We will be using MicroStrategy Web to build the widget within a document and MicroStrategy Mobile to view the widget and ensure the appropriate visualization and formatting effects are achieved. In this exercise, I will illustrate the steps required to create and format a heat map that is both impactful and visually appealing. First, we need to create a report that contains the required objects to power the heat map widget. A heat map requires at least one attribute on the row axis and two metrics on the column axis. It is important to note that if there are multiple attributes in the report, the last attribute on the right will be displayed as individual rectangles in the heat map widget. All other attributes will be used for grouping purposes. Second, once the report is built and populated, we will select the heat map widget from the Properties and Formatting option. You will see a variety of widget options in this section, each with a different profile of supported devices. Third, once the heat map widget is selected, we will want to format the widget to deliver the desired visual presentation that fits with the color scheme and theme of the overall application. To format a heat map, you will need to view the document in Flash mode. This is important to note as these options are not available in other modes. Once in Flash mode, right-click the widget and select Interactive. Formatting options for the iPad include metric size and color options, heat map coloring options. Coloring options are based on two variations, blended and banded. Blended provides seamless gradients such as illustrated. Banded provides a segmented view of color schemes. You can choose from a very large color palette when choosing the colors and schemes for your heat map. Fourth, once the heat map is created and formatted, it is good to test the heat map to verify it delivers the desired results in terms of data visualization and design. Testing in both web and on the iPad ensures the desired results have been achieved. By tapping and holding any rectangle on the heat map, a detailed information window appears that displays detailed metric information. Make sure this information is consistent with the data you wish to display and is consistent and relevant with the overall information being illustrated within the document. When testing, if colors are not appearing as desired or information is not being presented as anticipated, it is easy to go back to the widget to make modifications as needed. One very exciting capability of a heat map is its ability to be used as a selector for other targets as illustrated here. Finally, you can see the heat map illustrated as part of an overall design. To become proficient with this widget, try changing the size of the widget within various layouts and modifying functionality to act as standalone widgets or as a selector for other data targets within a document. This concludes the course offering on heat maps. Thank you for your attention. Please be sure to also review the companion document offered for download.